Magandang araw, everyone! Hello po! Kumusta? From Manteca, California, your local real estate here in the valley, Janice Divina Liad. I can speak Tagalog and Ilocano. I'm from Ordaneta, Pangasinan, and I can't speak Pangalatok, but I can understand it. So, talk to me with it, and I need my mom to translate it for me. But anyway, I want to talk to you guys about my website, janicedivinarealestate.com. Please visit that. I'm going to share the link below, and we will focus on the buyers tab here inside my website. So if you want to book a consultation, it's free. If you have any questions, I am easy to reach. Pwede nyo pong i-click yung book now. Right? So let's go over how I help you find the right home. So ito po yung proseso na ginagamit ko sa most of my buyer, whether you're a first time home buyer or you're an experienced home buyer, right? So I go through this at least making sure na iintindihan ko kung ano yung mga tinitignan nyo or gusto nyong mabili. So unang-una po gusto ko mag-set ng consultation with everybody, greetings and connection. So I just want to learn about your family, your goals, your timeline. Those are important information. Gusto ko rin malaman po prior learning interview kung ano na ba, na bumili na ba kayo ng bahay dati, ano po ang naiintindihan nyo about home buying, what you want to change. Sa kung may realtor kayo dati, tapos hindi nyo na ginamit, bakit po? Makikichismis lang, ganun. Pero hindi. It's more of like, I just want to better myself, guys. Gustong-gusto kong ayusin, or I have a growth mindset na gusto ko magawa ko ng tama yung trabaho ko sa mga Pinoy na magiging kliyente ko. Pagkatapos po nun, bibigyan ko po kayo ng buyer's packet. Andun po lahat. Tapos bibigyan ko rin po kayo ng sample ng agency disclosure. So right now, I think around the US right now, everybody needs to go through buyer broker agreement. So ilalagay ko po doon sa buyer's packet yon para maintindihan nyo po kung ano yung papasukin nyo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin po na locked up kayo, 'di ba? So pag-uusapan natin 'yan once na nag-consult kayo sa akin for free po. So consult sa akin para maintindihan ko po at maintindihan nyo yung proseso ko. Pagkatapos po noon, magkakaroon ng panel process. So it means systematic elimination, not random selections. So instead of us like, oh yeah, we want to buy a house worth 300. Okay, we can do that. But then, it's not the house that you want because you want a better house that is ready to live in. Maybe you're gonna ask me to see a 1 million house. How are we gonna do that if you're not even approved with it? So unang-una talaga, dapat malaman ko po kung nasaan kayo, para maintindihan po natin kung ano yung mga bahay na i-visit natin, 'di ba? So instead of like, I'm gonna ask you what scale you are at now as a home buyer. Are you confidently 10 or you're still in the beginning process? I don't mind even you're negative right now. I'm here to guide. It's relationship based buyer process. So andito ako para i-guide kayo from the beginning until the end. At for sure, pagkatapos ng kontrata natin or nabili nyo na po yung bahay, magiging ano na kayo, ready na kayo maybe to sell later on or even explain the process to your friend. So another part of my process is asking what are the three must-haves and knockout factors na para sa inyo. Ibig sabihin ko ano yung pinakagusto nyo at yung ayaw nyo na magkaroon sa bahay nyo, right? So kung kunyari mag-asawa kayo, I'm gonna give the husband a paper and I'm gonna give the wife a paper. Tapos re-reviewin natin yon, titignan natin kung magmamatch ba, kung hindi magmamatch, okay, pili ang isa, ano yung ayaw ng isa. Tapos from there, malalaman na natin kung ano yung home na gusto nyo, right? Tapos features and benefits, always remember, walang 100% na bahay, kahit na yung mga nagko-customize na bahay from the ground up, hindi pa rin perfecto. Kaya 85% of the home, maybe we'll find that. But just setting the expectation right up front instead of like telling you, yes, we have that house. Where every house are unique, even the location. So when it comes to financing strategy, I have a Filipino lender as well. She's licensed in many states actually. So kung gusto nyo naman pong kumuha ng consultation with Mary Lou, she's local here in the Valley as well. She's been in the business for a long time. We've been helping first-time home buyer, any Filipinos, any non-Filipinos, we help them. So yeah, once we get approved, we're gonna start looking for houses. We're gonna shop. We're gonna offer. So offer and negotiation. That's yeah. I'm gonna be your shopping partner. Marilu is gonna be your loan partner. So I'm gonna start. We're gonna start the offer. I'm gonna explain to you what the offer looks like, and I'm gonna be here to negotiate and explain to you the risk that you're gonna go get into. At ano dapat ang pwede nating hingiin, right? Everything is gonna be transparent to you guys. I'm not gonna hide anything kasi hindi naman ako nagbabayad kayo, kaya kailangan alam nyo yung papasukin nyo. So anyway, after that, medyo okay na ang seller and buyer. We're gonna close and celebrate. So I'm gonna give you your key for your home, and you're gonna be part of my family now. So you're gonna be part of the community that I'm creating right now. I'm building on where I send you guys monthly updates, newsletter, market updates, and this year, hopefully, if not beginning of the year, I'm gonna send you guys a comparable market analysis. If you're a homeowner, if you're home buyers, let me know which part of Central Valley you are interested, and I can give you a market update, on which I always give everybody a market update where I service. So stay tuned with that. And also, I'm gonna go through more of the nice tools that I have in this website, and hope that will help you. And feel free to go anywhere in my website. And if you have any question, book now or call me. But anyway, if you have any other people that you know in your circle that thinking to buy or sell real estate in Mantika, Lathrop, Tracy, anywhere here, let me know. Refer them. There's a tab actually for that as well. It's here. So, or you can just text me their information. It's all gonna be private, and I'm gonna make sure to let them know that you refer them to me. Yeah, that's the best compliment I can ever have as a realtor. And yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share it to every Filipinos out there. All right. Thank you and mabuhay.